Your lack of self-discipline is not because you're lazy. It's because your brain has been rewired to crave comfort over progress. Every time you scroll, snack, or procrastinate, you're teaching your brain, this feels better than work. And right now, your brain believes comfort is survival, and effort is pain. Here's the truth. Discipline is not about willpower. It's about dopamine, the chemical that decides what you chase. Right now, your dopamine spikes when you binge Netflix or check your phone. But when it's time to work, flatline. Your brain has learned that discipline equals boredom. The problem isn't you. The problem is that your reward system is broken. See how to reset it in 90 seconds. Pick one task you've been avoiding. Just one. Set a timer for 2 minutes and start doing it immediately, no matter how badly you want to quit. The moment you start, say out loud, "This is who I am now." Because identity drives action. Your brain doesn't care about your goals. It cares about your self-image. When you start acting like the type of person you want to be, your brain rewires to match. Do this daily, and you'll condition dopamine to reward effort, not escape. If you ignore this, nothing will change. You'll keep trading years of your life for seconds of cheap pleasure, and you'll look back and realize you didn't fail because you couldn't. You failed because you wouldn't. You can reset your discipline in 90 seconds, starting right now. Now you have no excuse.